Classical cryptography, in times of war. Enigma. Design and use. From the outside, the Enigma looked similar to a typewriter. Its main components were a keyboard to type the message, the rotors, which were usually three exchangeable rotating disks, a set of light bulbs which showed the encrypted letters, as well as a plug board for a pairwise exchange of letters. If the user wanted to encrypt a message, he had to do the following. For example, we want to encrypt Enigma. This means that for each letter, the respective letter on the keyboard was pressed, which caused electric current from a 4.5-volt battery to run over the pressed key through the rotors into the field of light bulbs, where then a certain light bulb would glow, which was the encrypted letter. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.